Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Chicken is very favorite all around the world, and if it's about chicken with rice, it becomes hot favorite. Everyone loves this combination no matter where one lives, be it Europe, Asia, Africa or America. So today we are going to cook this super favorite meal. Stay with us, watch and enjoy. Yeah, you guessed it right. It's aromatic, flavorful and delicious chicken rice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chicken 1 kg, properly washed. Marinate it with ginger powder ¼ teaspoon, garlic powder ¼ teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, allspice powder ½ teaspoon, black pepper powder ½ teaspoon, chicken powder 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 3 tablespoons. Mix properly. Marinate for 2 hours. Cover properly and refrigerate. The whole spices we need are 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, ½ teaspoon black cumin seeds, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 3 to 4 black cardamom, 6 green cardamom, 2 to 3 star anise, 5 to 6 cloves, cinnamon 2 to 3 small sticks, black peppercorns 1 teaspoon, 500 grams long-grained Pakistani basmati rice, washed and soaked in water for 30 minutes. Fry 1 chopped onion in ½ cup oil. Fry on medium flame for 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste and fry again. Fry for 2 minutes on medium to low heat. Now add all whole spices and fry. Fry for 1 minute on medium to low flame. Add marinated chicken and fry. Fry on medium to high flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped and 4 whole green chilies, chopped coriander leaves. Fry again for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 liter of lukewarm water or 1 liter lukewarm chicken or meat stock. Set the flame on medium and let it come to boil. As bubbles comes on surface, add rice. As water starts to boil, add rice. Stir off and on. Cook on medium heat. Cook till water is about to dry. As water reduces, cover with lid. Set the flame on low. Cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove lid. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice, mix and serve. Garnish with lemon slices and green chilies. Serve with salad and yogurt. Enjoy this delicious and nutritious meal with your family and friends. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We hope you will give it a try. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. We will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.